Okay, my dear students, before class I explained the means introduction part of the variable and separable. Up to 9 problems I explained. Now, today I will start the question number 10. That is called the method is variable and separable. Variables means both x and y separate, x separate to one side and y separate on one side. After that integration. Okay, my dear students. Now how to do the problems you know. Okay, now e power x into, this is the question. What is the given is going on? E power x into tan y dx plus 1 minus e power x into secant square y dy, my dear students. Okay, now in this one you clearly observe that here how to separate, already explained that one. Here dx is there, only x terms, but here tan y is there extra, no need of that one. Here dy means 1 minus e power x, no need, only y terms, y, this is x term, no need. Now both side divided with this term. What is the term? Tan y into 1 minus e power x, both side. Okay, this one by this one. Division means this one cancel. What is remaining? E power x by 1 minus e power x dx. Yeah, all x terms are one side, plus this one by this one means this one cancel. Secant square y by tan y dy is equal 0 by something 0. Now integrating on both sides. On both sides, what happened, my dear students? E power x by 1 minus e power x, no problem, plus integral of secant square y by tan y dy. Integral of 0 means constant. Here f dash of x by 1 derivative 0. Okay, minus e power x derivative minus is missing, minus e power x by 1 minus e power x dx. F dash of is same, this is also secant square y by tan y. Next step I will apply. Here observe that what is the formula is going on? Integral of, now formula is integral of f dash of x by f of x. Denominator derivative occurs in the numerator. That equal formula is log mod f of x plus c. Okay, my dear, this is the formula. Okay, now minus logarithm of 1 minus e power x plus this is log tan y is equal to log c. You will take the all are log means log c. Okay, now what happened, this one, this is plus log a minus log b, log a by b, logarithm of tan y by 1 minus e power x is equal to log c. Both side logarithm cancel. Okay, my dear students, tan y by 1 minus e power x is equal to c. Tan y is equal c into 1 minus e power x. Okay, this is the solution for question number 10. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next question. Question number 11. Solve x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 2x square plus x. Okay, my dear students, where y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. Whenever this type is given means to find the value of constant. After finding the solution of the given differential equation, after that we substitute these values, y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1, 100% we will get the value of c. Now what is given here? Dy by dx is given. Now from this one dy by dx is equal to, directly we will write given, that equal to 2x square plus x by here x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. This is dy by dx is purely f of x, means totally x function only. Okay, now cross multiplication. Here degree is 2, degree is 3. This is the proper fraction. 100% we will do into the partial fractions. Okay, now otherwise no need the, means otherwise the integration very complicated. Otherwise partial fractions, the integration very complicated. Okay, my dear students, that's why I am telling you this is dx. Now integration on both sides, we know this is equation number 1. First we will take this one 2x square plus x by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, my dear students. Now 2x square plus x by, here first one you take in common x square, that is equal to x plus 1. After that we will take in common 1, that is x plus 1. Okay, my dear students, that equal to x square plus x by, orally taken common x plus 1 into x square plus 1. Okay, this is linear factor, this is quadratic, it is not irreducible. Therefore 2x square plus x by x plus 1 into x square plus 1 is equal to a by x plus 1, linear factor. This is quadratic, means bx plus c by x square plus 1. I hope that you understood or not. Partial fractions. Now take LCM, this LCM cancel, this into this into this. Therefore 2x square plus x is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 1 after cancellation of the LCM. Now put x is equal to minus 1, my dear students. X is equal to minus 1, what happened? Here 2 into minus 1 whole square, 2 minus 1, 1 is equal to, here g, minus 1 whole square means 1 plus 1, 2a. Here this is 100% 0, that implies a is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, my dear students, a value is equal to 100% 1 by 2. Now we are going to the second one. Both our goal is to find the values of a, b, c. Both side comparing x square coefficients. Both side comparing x square coefficients. Both side comparing x square coefficient. Okay, my dear students. Here x square coefficient is 2. 2 is equal to, here x square coefficient is a plus, here bx into x, bx square means plus b. Okay, already a is 1 by 2. That implies 1 by 2 plus b is equal to 2. Therefore b is equal to 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 1. That equal 3 by 2, my dear students. Okay, b value is equal to 3 by 2. Now both side comparing constants. Better, huh? Both side comparing constants. Both side comparing constants. How to compare the constant? In this way, no constants, 0. Here a into 1 a plus here bx is there, no constant, must c into 1. C into 1, c is there. Therefore c is equal to minus a. Therefore c is equal to minus a value. Minus a value is already I find out, that is 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. These are the values of a, b, c. Now these values substitute in this integration. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, my dear friends. Here this is equal to this, but substitute in 1. What the equation 1 you know very well. Dy is equal to, okay, this value means 1 by 2 into x plus 1 plus separation 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, here 3 by 2 x by x square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into x square plus 1 dx. Separation means this one by this one minus this one by this one, no need letter. Okay, now integrating on both sides. Dy is equal, here 1 by 2 is constant, here 3 by 2 is constant, here minus 1 by 2 is constant. Okay, my dear students. Now integral of dy means y. 1 by 2 into this is 100% log mod x plus 1. Here f dash of x by f of x. X square divided by 2x. 2x is missing, into 2 by 2. 3 by 4 into 2x. F dash of x by f means log mod x square plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 into this is tan inverse of x plus c. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the problems. Now y is equal, what the LCM is going on simply. Here this one, for suppose here 1 by 2 taken common out, or 1 by 4. Here these two only. Observe that these two means we will taken the common 1 by 4. What happened here? 100% 2 into log of x plus 1 plus 3 log of x square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x plus c. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 4 into what happened, this is 2 log means logarithm of x plus 1 whole square plus continuation 1 by 4 into 2 log of x plus 1, 1 by 4 taken common, 2 log of x plus 1 plus 3 log of x square minus 1, this is same. After that m log a means log m square, here 3 upper log a plus log b formula, log a into b. Okay my dear students, I hope that you understood or not. Yes, okay. But here my dear students, x and y values given this problem. What is given? X value 0, y value 1 my dear students. Sorry, this one. Now here x value is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. Yeah, okay my dear students. Now substitute. Now for this value is given means find out the c value. Y value 1 is equal to 1 by 4 into, here observe that x value 0, x value 0 plus 1, 1, log 1 means totally 0, this one, minus 1 by 2, x value 0 means this is underly, what happened this one, this is total 0, 100%, yeah, 1 by 4 into 0, minus 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 0 is 0, plus c, therefore c value is equal to 1. Now substitute my dear students, y is equal to 1 by 4 into log of x plus 1 whole square into x square plus 1 whole cube minus 1 by 2 tan inverse of x plus c means plus 1. In this way we will do. Whenever the value c is given, must and should you will find the value of c. Okay, how if that you understood or not? Yes. No, okay my dear. This is the problem. X into x square minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 1. Okay my dear students, now here dy by dx is equal to 100% 1 by x into x square minus 1. Okay, now dy by dx is equal to 1 by x into x square minus 1 means x plus 1 into x minus 1. Here dy is equal to integral 1 by x into x plus 1 into x minus 1 into dx. Okay my dear students, now this is equation number 1. This is partial fractions first. 1 2 3 linear factors. 1 by x into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay, I explained the shortcut method. Whenever the linear factors, first you write this linear factor x, after that you write the value of x, the remaining values. Here whenever it is 0 means x is equal to 0. Okay, this is the 0 of the polynomial. X is f of x is equal to x means that is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 substitute other than this one. What happened? Here 0 plus 1 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1, total is minus 1, plus here second factor is x plus, whenever it is 0 means x is equal to minus 1, substitute other than this one, x is equal to minus 1, this is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 into minus 2 means minus plus 2, that is 1 by 2, plus here x minus 1. Okay, by addition means x is equal to 1, 1 into 1 plus 1 means 2, 1 by 2, here in this way. Now we will substitute these values here. Now dy is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 dx. Okay, my dear students, now integrating on both sides, integral of dy is equal to minus integral of 1 by x dx plus 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by x plus 1 dx plus 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by x minus 1 dx, my dear students. Now integral of dy means y, that is minus log x plus 1 by 2 log mod x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 log mod x minus 1. We will take the constant also c plus c. Okay, my dear students. Now y is equal to, here taken common 1 by 2, no problem at all. Okay, minus log x minus log x. Okay, what happened, that one minus log x plus 1 by 2 taken common, whenever 1 by 2 common, log a plus log b, log a by b. logarithm of log a plus log b means log ab, log of x plus log ab, this is product x plus 1 into x minus 1, that is x square minus 1, okay, plus c. Now here also we will take the common part. Suppose what happened, you will take in this one 2 is the LCM, no problem at all. Here these two only, y is equal to 2 is the LCM means, okay, I will write here 2 is the LCM, minus 2 log x, minus 2 log x, minus 2 log x means minus log x square, okay, 2 is upper side m log a, plus here 1 log of x square minus 1 plus c. Here what happened, my dear students, y is equal to 1 by 2 into log a minus log b, log of x square minus 1 by x square plus c, okay, 1 by 2 into log of x square minus 1 by x square plus c. What is the given values here? X is equal to 2 is given, comma, y is equal to 0, okay, y is equal to 0, putting y is equal to 0, x is equal to, y value 0, substitute what happened, 0 is equal to 1 by 2 into log of x value is 2, 3 square minus 4 minus 1, 3 by 4 plus c, okay, my dear students. Now c is equal, what happened, c is equal minus 1 by 2 log 3 by 4, this is the value of c. Now this value substitute in this one, we will get the answer, okay. Now what happened, my dear students, now c value substitute in that equation, therefore y is equal to 1 by 2 log of x square minus 1 by x minus 1 by 2 log of 3 by 4. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next question. Cos of dy by dx is equal to a. What is given? Cos of dy by dx is equal to a. From this one, dy by dx is equal to cos inverse of a. This is constant, my dear students. Now dy is equal to cos inverse of a into dx. Now integrating on both sides, integral of dy is equal to cos inverse of a constant, outside you write integral of dx. Now y is equal, integral of dx means x cos inverse of a plus c. This is equation number 1. You can find the value of c, means here y is equal to, when x is equal to 0, substitute y is equal to x value 0 in something 0 plus c, therefore c is equal to substituting equation 1, therefore the required particular solution, the required solution is y is equal to x cos inverse of a plus c means plus 2. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next question. Dy by dx is equal to y tan x. Now what is given? All our questions are solved, my dear students. Now dy by dx is equal to y tan x. Separation is going on. Dy by y this side, x this side, tan x into dx. Okay, separated, variables are separated. Now next step, what is integration on both sides. You know the formulas, I hope that, okay. Integral of dy by y means log y is equal, integral of tan x means you write the minus log mod cos x or log secant x, no problem. Now this is log means compulsory will take the log c. Now log y is equal to, this is log a minus log b, log a by b, log of c by cos x. I hope that. Log a minus log b means log a, both side logarithm cancel, y is equal to c by cos x. Now y cos x is equal to c, this is equation number 1. Okay, my dear students, now here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, substitute. X is equal to 0 means here, y is equal to 1 means 1 into cos 0 is equal to c. 1 into cos 0 means 1 is equal to c. Therefore, c is equal to 1. Now substituting 1. Now the required solution. Solve means you find the required solution. The required particular solution or solution is y cos x is equal to c. C means 1. Okay, this is the final answer for this problem. Now we are going to the next question, my dear students. Find the equation of the curve passing through the. Find the equation of the curve means 100% you can find the particular solution. Okay. Point means that curve is passing through 0, 0 means x value 0, y value 0 is given. Whose differential equation is given? First order, first degree differential equation. First we solve this one. Given y dash means dy by dx is equal e power x into sin x. You know the formula, I hope that. Okay. The y dash means dy by dx. Okay. Dy by dx is equal f of x type. Okay. Now directly dy is equal e power x sin x dx. Okay, my dear students. Separated. Okay, separation completed. Now integral of dy is equal integral of e power x into sin x dx. You know the formula, already I explained this one, e power ax into sin bx dx integration. Okay, e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. I explained this formula. Okay, my dear students. Now integral of dy means y is equal, here a value 1, b value 1. Now substitute e power ax means e power x by 1 plus 1 means 2. A sin bx, a value is 1, sin x minus cos x plus c. Now what is given here? X is equal 0 and y is equal 0 is given. Passing through means this one. Substitute 0 is equal to e power 0. E power 0 means 1 by, e power 0 means 1 by 2 here. Sin 0 0 minus cos 0 is 1 plus c. Therefore c minus 1 by 2 is equal 0. Therefore c is equal 1 by 2. This is equation number 1, my dear students. Substitute in 1. Substitute in 1. The required solution is y is equal to, okay, e power x by 2 into sin x minus cos x plus 1 by 2. Here 2 is the LCM, this side 2y is totally multiplied with 2. 2y is equal to e power x into sin x minus cos x plus 1, or y this side 2y minus 1 is equal to e power x into sin x minus cos x. In this way we will complete the problems, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. 2y minus 1 is equal to this one. Okay. Now next question is, okay, what is the next question is going on? For the differential equation xy into dy by dx is equal x plus 2 into y plus 2. Find the solution, the curve passing through the point 1, that means x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 after finding the curve. Okay, what is given, my dear students? Slowly we will do. Xy into dy by dx is equal to x plus 2 into y plus 2. Now separation, dx first. Xy dy is equal to x plus 2 into y plus 2 into dx. Already what I am explaining. For suppose y means, dy means all y terms, dx means all x terms. Here dy into y is there, no need of x. Here dx into x plus 2, no need of y plus 2. Means both side divided with x into y plus 2. Okay, my dear students. Here division means x cancel, y by y plus 2, y by y plus 2 dy. Here this one by this one means y plus 2 cancel, means x plus 2 by x dx. Now integrating on both sides. Now integral of y by y plus 2 dy is equal to integral of x plus 2 by x dx. Okay, my dear students. Here y by y plus 2, separation is not possible. Denominator is y plus 2 means separate, that is y is divisible by y plus 2. Okay, how many times? That is only one time. Y into 1y plus 2, subtraction, minus, these are cancelled, this is minus. How to write this one? F of x by g of x is equal quotient plus remainder by g of x. Quotient is 1 minus remainder is minus 2 by y plus 2 into dy. This is separation possible. Okay, integral of x by x means 1 plus 2 by x, no problem at all. This side is separation is possible. Okay, my dear students. Now integral of 1 dy y minus 2 into integral of 1 by y plus 2 means log of y plus 2 is equal to integral of dx means x, 2 is constant, log x, okay, plus c. here y x this side minus 2 this side. What happened? Y minus x is equal to minus 2 this side means plus 2 taken common 2 taken common out, log mod x plus log of y plus 2 plus c. Okay, now here y minus x is equal to 2 into, this is log a plus log b, log x into y plus 2 plus c. This is equation number 1. Now substitute the values. Here x is equal to 1, this is 1 passing through, otherwise 1 passing through clearly is given. Okay, 1 passing through 1 comma minus 1 means this is x value, this is y. Substitute x value is 1, y value is minus 1. Here minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 into x value is 1 means log y value is minus 1 means minus 1 plus 2 1 log 1 plus c. Here this is 0, log 1 is 0, c is equal to 100% minus 2, my dear students. Okay, I hope that you understood or not. C is equal minus 2. Now substitute the c value in the given equation. What happened? C is equal to minus 2, therefore y minus x is equal to 2 log of x into y plus 2 plus c value minus 2 this side. What happened? Y minus x plus 2 is equal to is m log a means upper side, log of x square into y plus 2 whole square. This is the solution. This is solution, final solution. More or less we will take particular solution of the given differential equation. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, going to the question number 17. Find the equation of curve passing through the point 0 comma minus 2. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point 0 comma minus 2. Okay, you can find the curve. Compulsory differential equation is given. That curve is passing through 0 comma minus 2 means x value 0, y value minus 2. Given that, what is given? Given that at any point x comma y on the curve, for suppose the curve is, for suppose here y is equal to f of x, whatever maybe this is the curve, this curve, whatever maybe this is curve. At any point on the curve, for suppose this is p x comma y, at any point on the curve, the product of the slope, we write the tangent here. To write the tangent, what is the tangent at p? Let y is equal to f of x be a curve. The tangent at p is 100%, sorry, the slope of the tangent at p, slope is m. How to find m means differentiate the given curve and substitute this value. Okay, dy by dx. P means x comma, no change. This is slope is m, dy by dx. Okay, slope of its tangent and y coordinate of the point means slope means dy by dx into y is equal to x coordinate. What is given condition? Now given here slope of tangent and into y coordinate is equal to x coordinate. Hope that you understood or not. Slope of tangent means dy by dx, y coordinate means y, x coordinate means x. This is given property. I hope that. Okay. Now what happened? Cross multiplication, y dy is equal to x dx. Okay, my dear, integration on both sides, y into dy is equal to integral of x into dx. This is y square by 2 is equal to x square by 2 plus c. Okay, my dear friends. Now this is equation number 1, but it passing through zero comma minus 2. What happened? X value 0, y value minus 2. Minus 2 whole square by 2, 4 by 2. This is 0 plus c. That implies c is equal to 2. Now substitute in 1. What happened? Now y square by 2 is equal x square by 2 plus c means 2. Now what the LCM is going on? Totally multiplied with 2. Y square is equal to x square plus 4. Therefore that is x square minus y square plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the x square minus y square is equal to minus 4 means this is hyperbola. Okay, the curve is hyperbola. Okay, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. At any point x comma y of the curve, the slope of the tangent is twice the slope of the line segment. What is the line segment? The line segment joining the point of contact to the, for suppose I will take the finding curve with this one, for suppose. Now this is the tangent 100%. For suppose this is the point, this is called 100% touching point is called pointer. This is px comma y. Now clearly is what is given means what is given, right? I am writing, okay. Slope of tangent is, what is given? Slope of tangent, okay, slope of tangent is twice the slope of the line segment. Slope of line segment. Line segment means must should joining 2 points. What are the 2 points? Segment joining the point of contact to the point. This is point of contact. For suppose this is another point. This is for suppose minus 4 comma minus 3. Clearly observe that. Slope means 2-point formula. y2 minus y1 by x2. Slope of tangent, the formula is m. M is equal dy by dx. You know very well. Okay. Here dy by dx is equal to 2 into slope of the line segment. This is the PA line segment. y2 minus y1 means y plus 3 by x plus 4. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. 2 into y plus 3 by x plus 4. Now y plus 3 this side, dx this side. dy by y plus 3. Here formula m is equal line segment formula. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. My dear students, I hope that you understood or not. Yeah. That equal to 2 dx by x plus 4. Now integration on both sides. Integral of dy by y plus 3. Okay. Is equal to constant integral of 1 by x plus 4 dx. This is log of y plus 3. This is 2 log of x plus 4 plus c. This is log of y plus 3 minus this side. This is log of x plus 4 whole square. M means upper is equal to c. Log a minus log b. Log a by b. Y plus 3 by x plus 4 whole square is equal to c. Okay, my dear students. Now here given, it passes through. This is equation number 1. 1 passing through. Minus 2 comma 1. Okay, substitute x value minus 2, y value 1. What happened? Log of y value 1 means 4 by x value minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4. 2 square means 4. Equal c. Therefore, c value is equal to 0. Log 1. Log 1 means 0. Substitute in 1. What is the answer? Therefore, okay, my dear students, here you will take the, suppose what happened, log c will take, both side logarithm cancel. What happened means y plus 3 by x plus 4 whole square is equal to c. Okay, here no need of logarithm. C value is equal to 100% 1. Substitute that one. Therefore, y plus 3 by x plus 4 whole square is equal to c value is equal to 1. My dear students, just simple changes is going on. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will complete the problem. Okay.